And now we have Compose.ai, your email writing assistant. We have gone through the ChatGPT and Gemini, and we just went through Simplified, and now we have Compose AI, your email writing assistant, and it works amazingly well. You would be awed if you haven't used it yet, and I will say that you have been missing on something really interesting. Let's break down how to utilize Compose AI for different efficient email writing with a step-by-step video script and example. Ever felt overwhelmed by the endless stream of emails in your inbox? Tired of staring at a blank screen, struggling to find the right words? Well, Compose AI is for you. Compose AI seamlessly integrates with your email platform like Gmail or Outlook and acts as your personal writing assistant. It's like having a wordsmith whispering suggestions in your ear, helping you craft emails that are clear, concise, and professional. And when I say all of these things, I really mean that. Let's check it out for ourselves. This is Compose.ai front end. I click on signing up for the free version. But before that, let's see. Compose anything, rephrase sentences, easy email reply, loved by everybody, frequently asked questions. So you would get a good idea of what Compose AI does here. So what we do is we look at the pricings. So we have the basic version free, we have the premium for $15. So the basic one gives you almost everything, but there is a limitation to how much of it can be used. Okay. So we go back, or we just sign up. We go to sign up with Google, and we are selecting an account and we sign up. Continue. So there we have it. We are signed in. We need to now install the extension to make the best use of Compose AI. So I click on install extension. I'm on a Chrome browser, so it's easier to install the extension. Okay, once the extension is downloaded, I click on it and the extension is ready for me to use. So Compose AI allows you to write entire paragraphs in seconds. Try it out, and so on. Activate. Great. So for an example, you want to reply to an update received from, imagine you have requested a video editing service from a freelancer and he has submitted a video. You could either like the video or have some issues. Let's look at both the examples. Or if you're stuck on how to respond, click on Generate Reply. Compose AI will use the context of the customer's email to generate a complete reply that addresses the customer's suggestion and offers a solution. It would proofread and send before hitting resend. Review your email once last time. Compose AI will automatically check for grammar and spelling errors, ensure your message is polished and professional. Let's have a look at this. Let's say I have received an email from Hagen that my email is ready, my video is ready. So I hit on reply button, and now I ask Compose.ai to prepare a reply with a say thanks, and see how quickly, thanks for letting me know that my AI video is ready. I'm excited to explore the full capabilities of your product on your website and look forward to creating engaging videos with Hagen. That was amazing. I want to tell something that I did not like the video generated, and enter. Now the response changes to thank you for informing me that my AI video is ready. I have reviewed the video and unfortunately I did not like the end result. So this was interesting, right? Now if I want to create a new response or I want to write a new letter, so I do a double slash and write what exactly do I want to do. I want to write an email. I select email, hit enter to submit your prompt. So write an email about reaching out to a prospective client offering my website design services. Enter. And now my email is being written. Here is my complete email with the subject line and all of it. Okay. So that was Compose.ai. It offers even more features to elevate your email game, right from giving you templates to tone adjustments to smart compose. And that's Compose.ai. Again, we are only having very quick look at all of these platforms. You will need to log in, get in, and explore the full possibilities that are there. to get better or to be able to use the entire platforms really well. Practice it out, do mistakes, learn how you can improve, refine and reiterate is the mantra for learning ChatGPT.